Let's make some half double crochet 2 together. Now that's a decrease stitch. I've got here just some regular half double crochet pre-made into my stitches. They're individual half double crochet. But let's make a half double crochet 2 together. And there's a difference. This is a decrease stitch because we use 2 separate stitches to make it. So how it's done is this. We do a yarn over. We pull up a loop in the first stitch that we want to use. Then we yarn over again, we go to the next stitch and pull up another loop. So now we've got 5 loops on our hook, okay? And then we yarn over and pull through everything. And what we've done is now we have turned this stitch and this stitch into one stitch with one set of top loops. These were all individual half doubles. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them there, and then stitch 7 and 8 have become 1. Let's do a few more regular half doubles and I'll do another half double crochet 2 together, and you can see that it is pulling the work together. It is a decrease stitch and used for various effects. You need to make sure you check your pattern for why you're doing it, but here's a few more regulars. Just regular half double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, okay? But you can see here how it's pulling where I did that crochet 2 together, the half double. So let's do another one. Half double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop in the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop in the second stitch designated. I mean, you might even be told to do 3 together sometimes, but this is just 2 together, and you can see immediately it's thicker and it pulls. So here we've got a little bit of a buckle happening. So that would probably pull this into a V if I kept going like this, and ripple blankets tend to do that. So if I continue with regular stitches, they are pulling. Normally you might have to, if you're just working them on a normal straight line, you might have to put some extra change in there. So like I said, always look at your pattern. You probably can't tell, but this is now curling on me because that stitch and that stitch, this stitch here, are pulling, curving the work because I have reduced the number of stitches across here. I'm losing the stretch in my work and it is starting to pull inwards and curl up. Now, you know, the pattern will tell you what it's doing and why, but in this case I'm just showing you the stitch. There you go. Half double crochet, 2 together. Regular half double crochet.